Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our journey through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into day 73 from our Stoic practices, titled, One Day Everything Will Make Sense. We'll explore the profound wisdom of Epictetus as we learn to trust the grand design of fate and embrace the bigger picture in our lives. Life often throws us curveballs that we don't anticipate or desire. Epictetus, one of the prominent Stoic philosophers, reminds us of this in his quote, "When you blame fate for something, think carefully and you will realize that it happened for a rational reason." This sentiment, derived from Epictetus's discourses, urges us to reflect deeply on our situations before reacting negatively. We often find ourselves so entranced by our own plans and intentions that we forget there might be a larger, more intricate plan at play, one that we might not be aware of. The author of this chapter captures this beautifully when they say, "We are so focused on our own intentions that we forget about the possibility of a larger plan that we are unaware of." How many times have we labeled something as a disaster, only to discover later that it was a blessing in disguise? This hindsight often reveals that what seemed like misfortune was, in fact, a stepping stone to something greater. Think about a moment in your life when an unexpected event turned your plans upside down. Initially, it may have felt frustrating or unjust. Perhaps you lost a job opportunity you were counting on, or an important relationship ended abruptly. But over time, you might have realized that this event led you to new opportunities, better suited paths, or important personal growth. This hindsight wisdom is a reminder that we are part of a larger narrative. Our sense of injustice often stems from a narrow perspective on our interests. Remember, as the text from the author wisely notes, our loss may become someone else's gain. This perspective isn't suggesting we diminish our feelings, but rather that we expand our view to see beyond immediate circumstances. Everything in the universe is interconnected and governed by reason, even if we can't always perceive the grand and universal cause. Imagine the analogy often used in chaos theory, the flap of a butterfly's wings potentially causing a hurricane on the other side of the globe. This highlights the unpredictable and interconnected nature of events. Similarly, the author reminds us, the misfortune we endure today may herald a pleasant and enviable future. Incorporating this mindset into our daily lives involves a shift from immediate reactions to thoughtful reflections. Instead of cursing our fate when things don't go as planned, we need to train ourselves to pause and consider the potential reasons behind the happenings. Ask yourself, how might this situation be guiding me toward growth or a better outcome? What can I learn from this experience that will serve me in the future? Living with this Stoic principle fosters resilience. We learn to embrace adversity as a part of the journey, allowing every experience, good or bad, to shape us into stronger, wiser individuals. This mindset aligns perfectly with the three core values we emphasize here: resilience, self-discipline, and inner calm. So I invite you today to embrace the larger plan at play in your life. Let go of the immediate frustration and seek the rational reasons behind life's twists and turns. By doing so, you'll not only find more peace, but also cultivate a deeper understanding and appreciation for the journey you're on. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Stoic wisdom. Stay resilient, stay disciplined, and most importantly, stay calm amidst life's chaos. Until next time, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you in the art of Stoic living. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights and practices. Let's continue this journey together, unlocking the profound power of Stoic principles in our everyday lives.